atmospheric pressure P naught is equal to rho GH. Atmospheric pressure means the pressure exerted by the particles present in the atmosphere towards the earth due to gravitational force per contact area of the surface of the earth. We know the general formula for the pressure is equal to force by area. Here force we are writing that weight of the atmospheric particles. So we can write W by A. Here weight is nothing but mass affected by the gravity. So we can write mg by A. Here writing the mass in terms of density and volume. So we get rho Vg by A. Here volume is equal to length into breadth into height, and we can write length into breadth is equal to area. So V is equal to we are writing area into H. So we get rho AGH divided by A. A by A will get cancelled. Finally we get P naught is equal to rho GH.